XRP Ripple investors, prepare right now. With that said, hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. Today, it is Sunday, and for some reason, XRP is up almost 6% on a weekend. Now, the question is, why is XRP pumping? Well, make sure to stick around because I will be answering all your questions. Now, before we even get into that, let's do a technical analysis and price prediction for XRP. As you guys can see, take a look at the weekly candle right now, the weekly chart. The MACD indicator is telling us to buy. It just formed a green dot a couple days ago. And on top of that, the daily time frame is also telling us to buy. So we have two signals telling us to buy. This is basically letting us know this is a strong buy and we should expect some higher prices this upcoming week for XRP. So investors, prepare right now. Get excited. If we take a look at the resistance of 55 and 60 cents, well, the current price of XRP is at 65 cents. Last week, as you guys know, we did close the weekly candle above 55 cents, but I did tell you we need two weekly candles to close, and we have about 5 hours, a little over 5 hours until the weekly candle closes for this week. And it looks like, as of right now, we are going to see XRP close 2 weeks in a row above 55 cents, which is also another buy signal. And on top of that, we are above this second resistance of 60 cents. So we have a lot of strong signals telling us to expect higher prices. And if you don't believe me, let's take a look at the HTF liquidity. As you guys can see, the Fibonacci right now, the 0.5 Fibonacci is telling us a 67 cents, and the 0.618 golden Fibonacci is telling us a 74 cents. This means we should expect XRP price to pump this upcoming week between 70 and 80 cents. We even have more proof with the HTF liquidity. As you guys can see, short positions right here sit around 65 to 75 cents. And don't be surprised if we continue to these prices so they can liquidate the short positions. With that being said, on top of that, the Bitcoin price is currently sitting above $35,000 and Ethereum sitting almost above $1,900. I did tell you guys, if Ethereum breaks above $2,000, that means altcoin season is officially here and it will start flipping Bitcoin. But as of right now, Bitcoin dominance is around 52%, still very strong, and this is why altcoins are not performing very well. But I do see at some point in time Bitcoin dominance coming back down because the real money is in altcoins. A lot of investors know this. If you want to invest in Bitcoin, well then, invest in Bitcoin basically if you're just trying to keep your money safe. That's what Bitcoin's main purpose is. But for altcoins, that's where you want to make money. So that's where the money is at. Overall, guys, XRP will probably most likely be pumping to 70, 80 cents this upcoming week because we're going to be closing above 60 cents. Anything could happen, guys. That's why I said be prepared. Dollar cost average. Do not miss out. As you guys know, a couple weeks ago, we were stuck between 55 and 45 cents. And when it was very boring, a lot of you guys said XRP is dead. XRP is coming back down. I told you guys, no, guys, it's consolidating. That's when you want to start buying. When people are calling XRP dead, it's done, it's over. That's when you should be buying right here, guys. Look what happened. Right this week, it is up 15%. Today is up almost 6%. With that being said, we also have more strong signals. The S&P 500 is recovering after the FOMC meeting. As you guys know, interest rate hikes were on pause. On top of that, the DXY is coming back down. We did meet resistance at 107 to 106. So now it's currently at 105. Interesting, guys. And the MACD indicator on the weekly, it looks like we should expect some correction. We're just waiting for that red dot. Once that happens, that means it's a green light for XRP, guys. We have a lot of signals telling us to expect a massive pump from XRP. Will we hit $1 for XRP? The only way I do see XRP hitting $1 is if, the SEC approves of a spot Bitcoin ETF, or number two, we have crypto regulation in America. Those are the only two ways I do see XRP price pumping to $1 in 2023. We have less than 2 months, right? We're in November. We have November, December. So Now let's move on to why I believe XRP is pumping. The current price is at 65 cents. We did close the weekly last week at 55. So we went from 55 to 65 cents. Why is it pumping, especially in the last 24 hours on a Sunday? Well, let's take a look over here. As you guys can see, very alarming. Well, not alarming, but interesting and exciting, right? Volume is up 192%. As you guys can see, volume is at $2.05 billion. Binance, as you guys can see, 247 million, 938 million, and 134 million. So Binance just alone, it looks like someone on the Binance platform purchased a lot of XRP. We're talking about billions worth of XRP, billions of dollars worth of XRP. Now the question is, why did this institution or whale purchase so much XRP? Well, to answer that, we don't know, but a lot of these investors do have a lot of connections, so they know something that we don't know. Maybe we're going to get an IPO, maybe a settlement between the SEC and Ripple. Well, this guy, this whale or institution knows something that we don't know, and he's gearing up for a massive move from the XRP because he purchased around $1 billion on the Binance platform, right? He purchased $1 billion worth of XRP on the platform within 24 hours. As you guys can see, volume is up big time, right? 2.05 billion, 192.28%. That's alarming, guys. That's telling us prepare. If you're late, just wait, because in every market, what goes up must come back down. So, I mean, 55 cents, 60 cents was resistance. So now we need to retest these areas to prove that these are now support instead of resistance. So as I said, what goes up must come back down. Be patient. Dollar cost average is your best friend. 2024 is the year people will realize crypto is legit. It's the real deal. But hey, I'm just here to give you guys the information. You guys can use it however you want. My price prediction this upcoming week, based off what we do know, is that we're most likely going to close above 60 cents. MACD indicators are on the weekly, daily telling us to buy. DXY slowing down, S&P 500 recovering, Bitcoin up $35,000. Well, I would have to tell you the chances of seeing XRP, my price prediction is 70 to 80 cents, because we do have some liquidations around this area between the high 60s to the mid 70s for XRP. With that being said, guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. Peace.